If you need a no-mess dinner, this one-pan chicken and veggies is about to save your night. Welcome to Ralph Knows Food, and I've got a house full of kids here today doing a little babysitting, but this is going to be a great recipe to get the kids involved. We're doing the one-pan chicken and veggies, and this is going to be really easy, so easy your kids can help, or grandkids as the case may be. Starting out, I've got 4 fillets of chicken here. Got 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the dish here, and I'm going to mix in some seasoning, some garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning. Get that kind of mixed together. That's what it's looking like. And I'm going to be putting the chicken in to coat.
That looks good.
I'm going to check this chicken in over here on the side. Now it's going to be time to start working on the veggies. I've got a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in this bag. Which one of you wants to hold the bag?
Me.
She said first. There you go. Maybe I love her more. No, I love them both the same. Just kidding. Not really. No, I love them both the same. Really. Hold that. Hold it tight. Okay. Got some diced onions I'm putting in here. I'm going to cut up some of these zucchinis. Get some of those out of the way. Okay, you're going to take this bowl and you are going to pour it into Paisley's bag. Hold tight.
One more piece.
Very good. Got some carrots? Would you pour the carrots into the bag?
There's a lot of things in this bag.
Yes, there are. Gotta dice up our red pepper. You know, I'm only going to use half the red pepper. Drop them in the bag. And I've got a bag of potatoes, small baby potatoes. I'm going to be cutting those into halves. If they're really big, like maybe this one, I may be cutting it into quarters. But for the most part, halves. Okay, dump the first batch in. Okay. And put the last of the potatoes in.
Basically, open it more.
Okay.
You got it.
Now,
That bag's in a lot. That looks good.
we need to put in the seasoning. Got some paprika, some garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning.
Can I do
Need a
this?
skosh of salt.
Can I do this one?
Skosh of pepper. Gonna close this up, then we're gonna shake it up. Who wants to shake?
Me.
Pretty heavy.
I can. I can. No.
I'll give you a shot too. Show the camera. Oh, that's okay. Time for Jet to have his try.
Okay, shake it up as hard as you can.
Okay, no. Shake, not spin. Get those onions mixed up with all the seasoning. That is looking pretty terrific right there. Next, we're gonna be pouring this into a baking dish. I've got a 9 by 13 baking dish. You've been doing most of the shaking and the holding. I'm gonna let Jet do the dumping this time. Okay. Dump it in. Very good. Going to get this smoothed out.
That looks good. I could eat it right now.
Yeah.
That would make you sick. This.
No, it wouldn't.
And we're going to be putting the chicken, the raw chicken,
That's
across the top. Now I have the oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to put this in for about 25 minutes. Then I'm going to hit the broiler button and we're going to broil it for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to see what we have. So we will be back shortly.
And then we're gonna eat it, right?
Yeah. Okay, I've just brought it out of the oven. I did put it in to broil for about another 2.5 minutes after it was done baking. Here is how it turned out. Now it's time to cut one open and see what we've got. I like that piece right there.
It smells good.
It does smell good. And it looks really good too. Fork for you. Fork for you. Grab a piece of chicken.
I haven't tried
Good
that.
stuff. That's pretty good.
Yeah, actually.
Y'all like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try some zucchini.
I'm gonna try that potato.
Good.
Zucchini's good. Got a bite of carrot. Very good.
The potatoes are really good.
My favorite's the chicken.
If you're liking the video, consider giving us a like down below. If you're watching this on a mobile phone, consider hitting that hype button. It really helps the channel a lot. And if you consider a subscription, I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers as quick as possible. So with that said, I will catch y'all next week. Bye-bye.